Hello there, trophies. Welcome to this 5-minute rebounder challenge where we are going to walk the plank for 5 minutes straight to the beat of music on a rebounder. I am Trophy Steffi. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be walking the plank on my 40-inch B-Can bungee unit. This is the Soft Land series. It is linked in the description box below. It's an Amazon unit. I have the firm bungees on that are black. It also comes with a set of soft bungees. It is the Soft Land series. If you decide to get yourself our #1 recommended budget-friendly rebounder, please use code IJUMP instead and use the link in the description box below. So I'm going to demonstrate how we are going to walk the plank. We're going to have our feet close to the unit and in a wide position. We're going to bend over and we're going to plant our hands right below our shoulders. Okay, so we might need to lean forward a little bit, and then we're going to have our hands fully connected to the mat, and we're going to pulse down and walk to the beat of the music. We're going to start with our fingers forward, and then we're going to have our fingers go out and then in. We're going to do a staggered position. We're going to have our hands together. We're going to have our hands crossed over, just like that. And we're going to feel a full body activation, the chest, the back, the full arms, and the core. It is going to be the exact intensity that you want it to be, okay? You don't have to push hard, but you can if you want to. I want you to nose breathe throughout the entire 5 minutes, okay? Are you ready? Let's get this party started right now. Here we go. Feet in a wide stance, bend over at the hips, hands planted on the mat, core engaged. Start pulsing down to the beat of the song. Make sure the tips of your fingers are also pushing down into the mat, okay? Full hand contact, pulsing, connecting, nose breathing. Let's put our fingers into that wide stance. See if you can get them all the way to the side. Tips of the fingers still pushing down into the mat, as well as the palms. Feel those core muscles and chest muscles, the delts, the biceps, the triceps, the back. Let's go ahead and make our fingers face each other. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Grip the mat with your fingers, pushing down. Use your strength. Stay right here. Next up, we're going to have our fingers facing forward and put your hands in a staggered position. Here we go. Keep your hands connected to the mat. Push strong through both arms equally. Stay right here, 8 more count. Breathing through the nose. Let's switch positions to the other side. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. How do both arms feel? Strong, connected, equal? Stay right here. 8, 7, 6. Eight more count. 8, 7, 6. 4, 3. We're going to bring the back hand up and over and do a crossover. Here we go. 1, 2. Make both arms strong. Pushing down with equal force. Core is engaged. Stay right here. 8 more count. Let's cross over with the other arm. Here we go. 1, 2, Chest is centered right over both hands. Stay right here, 8 more count. Next up, we're gonna go around the clock. We're gonna start at noon. 3, 2, 1, here we go, noon. Let's go to 3 and 9. Let's go down to 6. Stay strong in each position, 3 and 9. Back up to noon. 3 and 9. Down to 6. 3 and 9. Free for all. Just walk the plank all over your mat, using your core, dancing with it. Stay right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's go back to the very first position, shoulder width, fingers forward. 7, nice and strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All done. Amazing job. Let's go ahead and shake out the arms. Keep your mouth closed, keep nose breathing, and let's do some body tapping here. Tap all the skin in, one arm at a time, going through all the muscles, stimulating, helping with recovery. Get the neck, the chest, and over to the other arm. Go ahead and get the back of the neck here, sides, the front. And we did it. Amazing job, everyone. You all crushed it. How does your upper body feel? I want your feedback in the comments section below. Did you walk the plank with me today? Or did you jump in the water? Let me know down below. If you're looking for more routines for my Jump Instead, please consider joining our memberships. We have 2 memberships available, one for $9.99 a month that includes 2 brand new routines weekly, and one for $24.99 a month that includes 7 brand new routines weekly, okay? If you see the price points are higher than $9.99 and $24.99, you need to go through youtube.com and don't go through the app. So see if you can use Safari or Google or Chrome and be signed in to your YouTube channel, and then you can sign into our membership from youtube.com. This will waive the fee, and then you can access all of our workouts from the app, okay? If you want to ask more questions about our membership, join us on Facebook. Go to our Facebook group. It's called I Jump Instead, and it is a private Facebook group where you can ask questions and you can even answer questions. We would love to have you join our community there. We're also on Instagram, so check us out there. And we're so happy you're here. Please give us a like if you like the routine, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for joining me, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.